I got a sneaky suspicion that my car might be very stuck when I find it. Yeah, we got a good solid 2 feet of snow. I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. We've got absolutely no visibility. Don't need visibility unless we can drive somewhere. Hey, not bad. I got like 75 feet with that. I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me and I kind of smelled this burning smell. And now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. That's pretty sick. Oh, I'm about to go for a ride. Oh, we're doing it. That pickup truck was a monster.